Hi guys! Ako po si Cabiles and welcome to my channel. Today's video is unboxing. So kung gusto mong malaman kung ano yung mga products na pinadala sa akin ni SHINESPRODUCTSPH, please keep on watching.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Shout out to SHINESPRODUCTSPH. Thank you very much for sending over this box na super dainty and super elegant, super ganda talaga nung nasa loob niya. I will be putting all the links ng kanilang shop sa description box below. So, nandyan si Instagram, si Facebook, and then as well with their email address. So, this is the box that I received. Meron siyang letter. So, basahin natin yung letter niya. Dearest Charmaine, your skin deserves a little treat today. Enjoy Shine's Vanity Box. Hope you love your every experience with it. Hashtag beauty that shines. Hashtag skin on flick. Once again, thank you very much, SHINESPRODUCTSPH. So, what's inside the box? Wow! So, this is a box full of skincare, cosmetics. So, isa-isahin natin siya. So, mag-start tayo sa skincare. First is Shine's Superb Hydro and Moisturizing Foam Cleanser. Next is Shine's Miracle Cleansing Toner. Meron din tayong Shine's Sun Fresh Mist. Wow! Mist. So, spray on sunscreen, non-sticky, quick drying, cell protect, hypoallergenic 100 ml bottle, SPF+++, 50. Meron din tayo ditong Shine's Nourish and Soothe Oatmeal and Shea Butter Body Lotion. It's 250 ml lotion. Meron din tayong Skin Flawless Serum. Ilang ml? 15 ml serum. Next is itong Shine's Vitamin E Soap. Revitalizing and nourishing pure vegetable soap. And then last for the skincare is the Shine's 24K Gold Premium Perfect Cream. So, next is punta tayo sa mga cosmetics. So, it's more of lip products, cheek products. So, meron tayo ditong apat. Meron tayong apat na product. So, it's actually a lip tint. At first, I thought it was nail polish. But then, nung binasa ko siya, nakalagay kasi is smile and apply an appropriate amount on the lips. So, basically, it's a lip product. Wala kasi siyang indication na lip tint or whatever. Nakalagay lang na sun-kissed and then yung shade niya. The shades are Carnation Pink. This is Carnation Pink, Vermilion Red. Next is Mulberry Pink. Last is Rebellious Red. So I will be making a separate video on how to use that, swatches, and then lip test. Next is meron tayong lip and cheek tint. So tatlong shades siya. In the shade Courage, Integrity, and then Faith. So 3 lip products, lip tint roller, I guess. Yes, it's a lip tint roller. So again, it's a different video, swatches, lip test. Next is cheek and eye. Oh, okay, so for this one naman, it's not a lip product, but basically pwede siya sa cheeks and then sa eyes. Pwede siyang maging eyeshadow. It says here, color paint, cheek and eye, all natural ingredients, skin on flick. So in the shade Torrid, this one is Torrid. And then this one is Dolce Vita. So we got 2 shades for the cheek and eye tint in 10 ml. Next is we got 3 Naked Lips Tinted Matte Lip Balm. So meron tayo again, tatlo. So meron tayong Naked Lips Matte Lip Balm in the shade Persistence. Smoke Almond Myrrh. So we got 3 shades, Persistent, Smoke Almond, and Myrrh. So I will be testing this out in a separate video. So this is 6 grams, your daily tinted matte lip balm made with natural ingredients. And then last, sa ating box, we got here 2 Illumi Magic Highlighter, your shot of shimmer. So in 2 variants, we got here Twinkle, and then this one is Polish. So maybe I will make a makeup tutorial, a makeup look na gagamitin ko tong Shines product. So, most of the products ay skincare and then cosmetics. So, meron tayong isang set ng skincare for the cosmetics. It consists of lip product, cheek product, eye product, and then meron ding highlighter. So, kung gusto mong ma-visit sa Shines Product PH, I will be putting all their links sa description box below. They have Instagram account and then Facebook account. So that is the end of our unboxing video ng Shines Vanity Box. So subscribe on YouTube, Charm Cabiles. Follow me on Instagram at Charm Cabiles. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!